First solo run of the year, and believe it or not, it's December, so we're definitely checking that box today. Not exactly sure where we're going. We're just exploring Motero Wash out here in the Anza-Borrego area. Really beautiful out, 66 degrees, not a breath of wind. Honestly, today's going to be a great day. Dude, how pretty is that? All those ocotillos are coming up right now. They should be blooming here, I don't know, in a couple months or so. But pretty awesome out here, perfect weather. Can't beat it. So we made it down to Jojoba Wash, or Jojoba Wash. I don't know how you say it. But we're here. I actually had to turn around. There's a section up here that looked a little difficult for me to navigate by myself. I think I would have done it if somebody else was with me. All right, doesn't look too bad, but once again, I don't think this is something that I would do by myself. Went out here with a couple buddies. I think we can get through here with minimal to no damage. Just a little slot here you got to navigate. And then, I mean, obviously the rest doesn't look too bad. Just a little rocky and narrow in some spots, but honestly, not too bad. I wish I could go further. All right, let's go take a tour of the setup for this afternoon. We got the Alucab 180 awning out, giving me plenty of shade right now, even though I don't really need it. But this amazing view. I think it's nice just to have a little bit of coverage, get some shade. Got the Yeti rocking. I got some cooler. I got some brews going. And this canopy's really doing great. But yeah, nice little spot here. We're kind of on the let's see, east end of Jojoba Wash. Found this really cool spot here. You guys can check it out.